Hi everyone, welcome to 12 Sphere. It's nice to have you here. Let's enjoy a quiet moment and listen together.
Imagine waking up to the gentle sounds of a small village in France. The sun is warm and a sweet smell fills the air. It's the smell of lavender and fresh bread. This is the village of Valençol, in the beautiful region of Provence. Our story starts with Marie. She's a kind woman with a bright smile. Marie lives in a small stone house with blue window shutters. Her house is very old, but also very beautiful. It's early, but Marie is already awake. She loves the quiet morning. She goes to her kitchen. It smells like coffee. Marie makes a cup of coffee and eats a piece of fresh bread. The bread is still warm from the local bakery. Do you like to wake up early, or do you prefer to sleep in? What is your favorite breakfast food? Marie sits by her window and looks outside. She sees the sun coming up over the lavender fields. The fields are big and purple, like a beautiful carpet. It's a very peaceful start to the day. Sometimes just taking a moment to look outside and enjoy the view can make you feel happy and calm. It's a simple way to start your day with a good feeling. After breakfast, Marie gets ready. She puts on a light dress and a straw hat. She takes a small basket. Today, she will walk in the lavender fields. It's her favorite thing to do. She steps outside her house. The air is warm and sweet. She walks along a small path. On both sides there are endless rows of purple lavender. Bees are buzzing around the flowers, collecting nectar. It's a very happy sound. Marie walks slowly. She touches the lavender flowers gently. They feel soft and smell wonderful. She takes a deep breath. She feels very peaceful here. Did you know that lavender is used for many things? People use it to make perfumes, soaps, and even a special kind of honey. It's also known to help you relax and sleep well. Later in the morning, Marie walks to the village market. The market is in the main square. It's a lively place full of people and colors. Farmers bring fresh vegetables, fruits, cheese, and flowers. Marie sees her friend, Pierre, at his stand. Pierre sells fresh goat cheese. Bonjour, Pierre. Marie says, smiling. Bonjour, Marie. How are you today? Pierre replies, with a friendly wave. They talk about the weather and the lavender harvest. Marie buys some cheese from Pierre, and she also buys some red tomatoes and a juicy melon. The market is a place to buy food, but also a place to meet friends and talk. When you visit a new place, try to visit a local market. It's a great way to see how people live, try new foods, and maybe even practice a few words of the local language. Don't be afraid to say hello or thank you. Going to local markets helps us connect with our community and learn about local culture. It's a joyful experience to see fresh food and friendly faces. After the market, Marie feels a little tired. She decides to stop at a small cafe in the square. She sits at a table outside, under a big umbrella. She orders a small cup of coffee and a croissant. A croissant is a delicious French pastry, flaky and buttery. She watches the people walk by. Children are playing in the square. A musician is playing an accordion, a type of musical instrument. The music is happy and light. Marie sips her coffee slowly, enjoying the moment. What is your favorite sweet treat or pastry? Do you like to sit and watch people in a lively place? Take time for small breaks during your day. Even a few minutes of rest can help you feel refreshed and ready for what's next. It's important to enjoy these quiet moments. In the afternoon, Marie goes to her small garden behind her house. She has a few tomato plants, some herbs, and colorful flowers. She likes to spend time here. She waters her plants and pulls out a few small weeds. Gardening makes her feel calm and connected to nature. She enjoys watching her plants grow and seeing the bees visit her flowers. As evening comes, the air becomes cooler. Marie prepares a simple dinner with the fresh food she bought at the market. She makes a big salad with tomatoes and goat cheese. She also eats some bread. Later, she sits on her small porch. The sun is setting, and the sky turns orange and pink. The scent of lavender is stronger now. She hears crickets chirping and the soft sounds of the village. It's a perfect peaceful end to her day. Spending time in nature, like gardening, or just sitting outside, can be very good for your mind and body. It helps you relax and feel happy. Finding joy in simple, everyday activities like gardening or watching the sunset can bring a lot of happiness to your life. The moral of the story: as the stars begin to appear over the beautiful village of Valençon, our day with Marie comes to a gentle close. We have seen moments of peace, connection, and simple joy. The moral of this story is that beauty and happiness can be found in everyday life, no matter where you are. It's in the warm sun, the sweet smells, the friendly faces, and the quiet moments of peace. It's about appreciating the small things and finding joy in the simple rhythms of life. So, what do you think? Did you enjoy our little trip to a French village? We hope you felt the warm sun, smelled the lavender, and heard the friendly greetings. Our goal was to show you a glimpse of a different way of life, to help you learn some new words, and most importantly, to inspire you. We hope this story made you curious, and perhaps even made you dream of visiting or living in such a peaceful place one day. It's about appreciating different cultures, finding beauty in everyday life, and embracing new experiences wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to subscribe for more peaceful slice of life stories like this one. And hit the like button if you enjoyed our little adventure together. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep finding the beauty in your own everyday. Au revoir.
Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, feel free to subscribe and come back anytime. See you soon.